What's going on, guys? So, just wanted to make a quick video. NZDCAD. I found a new feature in TradingView. I don't know if this video is really just a flex or what it is, but we're having it nonetheless. So, if I look at earlier this week, we made 1.13%. We lost 0.6 on this play, and then I saw an opportunity to take this short. I did not get into this trade, so this part probably needs to disappear. I'll do that later. I just want to show y'all something real quick. But I did at least acknowledge that I think this is going to go down, right? And I did that through a tool where you can post ideas. It's my ideas here, TradingView, so you'll be able to find me, Newsense Trading. You'll see my logo or whatnot. Let me just click on it. So look for me, Newsense, and you can follow me or whatnot. And you'll see me posting this type of stuff. This is what's going to happen moving forward. So this is the time I posted that I think is just going to, fall down from here. So the exact time was at 4 o'clock on yesterday. So let me go back. Instead of putting this here, hypothetically, let's just do 4 o'clock here. Boom. Obviously, I was, hoping to get in on this bar. The real start of the move is way back here. When we see that. I was hoping that it would pull back enough for us to get triggered in right here. It did not happen. But it would have looked like this if we shape up a position. And then obviously down to this level where I said, all right, we would close. Okay, something like that. We almost triggered in, but we did not. So I want to show you guys that as well. And this is the trigger candle that almost touched the pivot to get us active. It didn't happen. So instead I just moved this over for shits and giggles to move this and say, all right, this is where the real pullback trade in, switching. If I was optimal, if I was perfect here, this didn't work for us, so now we're going to trade this pullback and hopefully go down, right? So this is what the shape up would have looked like. And the cool thing about it is notice the ratio, 4.4, this is 4.3. So even though this seems to have started way back here and this one only here, we have hypothetically here, and this one actually did trigger in, but hypothetical, this one actually has a better risk reward ratio than this one, and that's crazy. If I get them even, 100% even here, I think that's even now. Okay, so now they're about the same. This one's a little bit better, but it's starting way back here versus up here, which is interesting. And the big difference here is the stop loss placement. It's way tighter on this one, and because of the momentum downwards, so we're going to have inherently better than 1-to-1. Something I'm always looking for, something to keep in mind. This is a beautiful, beautiful trade, something to learn from, and I will continue to use this feature. I've never used it before, but I'll be posting my trade ideas in here, in TradingView. So if you want to use TradingView and follow me, you'll be able to see, all right, I was right that it was actually going to drop down. It didn't trigger in like I wanted it to, but my job, the idea here was just to say, all right, what direction is it going to go from where it's at? And I was correct this time. Probably won't be every time, but over time I'm going to be able to use this for you guys to actually click in here and see my exact chart, my exact setup. If you don't want to, go through the Skillshare portal and see a long video, because most of my videos are pretty long here, and I get that. You might want to just go in and say, all right, what ideas does Jordan have right now? And kind of follow me here. So I highly encourage you guys, follow me here on TradingView. I'll put a link in the description somewhere if I can figure that out. All right, peace.